Mihang'o ya mathomo thukuru-ini wa University wa Moi ya gutherera thutha wa arutani rungu rwa kiama kia UASU kwanirira kuiga miro thi thutha wa kwaga kuiguana na urugamiri wa thukuru uyu. Kuringana na arugamiri a kiama giki, urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu ndukoretwo na wendi wa kurehe kionia kia ngucanio ria ikoretwo kuo ona thengia wa gukorwo makiaraniria kwa ihinda ria miaka 3.
We have launched a strike. That means starting from today we are on strike. We will not be available at our place of work. We will not give the services that are required of us.
Hari mathina ma arutani aya ni kwaga mutaratara mwega marihi-ini ma utungata ugima wa mwiri wa SHA uria matigite matekwamukira utungata mwega wa urigitani.
We are asking for things which we agreed on in the return to work formula. What picture does it give, or what image does it give the country when you sit down with government, you sit down with management, or you sit down with fellow public servants, you get into an agreement and then they go back on that agreement? Are these return to work formulas mere pieces of paper?
Mogereri ati urugamiri wa thukuru uyu ni wagite kuheana mutaratara mwega wao wa gucokereria wira na kurehe kionia gia thina uria ukoretwo kuo.
We are willing, we are always available, we want to discuss, we want to see how we can solve the problems of Moi University. So we went through the conciliation process and unfortunately and very sadly, the employer did not offer any hope. At the end of the conciliation, the county labor officer on behalf of the Minister for Labor gave us what is called a certificate of unresolved dispute.
Makinyiriria matigocoka irathi-ini nginya mateta mao maiguikane na matangikirwo na mugomo uyu no guthie na mbere.
The lecturers and as members of UASU in Moi University, we are simply asking for the law to be followed and for contracts to be honored. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense to keep going through this same cycle year in, year out.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.